Hello everyone, this is Gruhini from Gruhini's World. Today I am here to show you how we transformed our old kitchen from less pantry space to more. Actually, all this transformation idea has started from our 10-year-old small refrigerator. At first, we wanted to make it simple and just replace the refrigerator, but we had only 33 inches of space, which was not at all enough for new refrigerators in the market. So we had to go for changing the plan of our kitchen. Can you see? There is a 10 feet of space which was actually for breakfast nook. Then I thought, why don't we utilize that area to have our new refrigerator in that space? While we were planning that, I got an idea to increase the storage space at the same time. Then we got two tall pantries, a 15-inch and a 18-inch for more flexible storage options, and also a cabinet over the refrigerator. As we did this, we also had to fill in the old refrigerator space. Then after a little exploration, I felt that we could get a 30-inch base cabinet with drawers for filling that space. Even after adding a base cabinet, there is a lot of space left between a base cabinet and the top cabinet. Then we added half-inch birch plywood to make a shelf. I forgot to mention, we also did a DIY painting along with this. At first, I was planning to use a blue paint for cabinets, but my family was so skeptical about it and didn't agree for that because it was nowhere used at that time. Then it took me a lot of effort to convince them, and finally we went with blue, which has now become one of the most trending colors in the market. That's not it, friends. I still have more to show. All this was happened 2 years ago, but my creative brain started tingling again and wanted to use that 33 inches of leftover space which was not being much useful except for storing vacuum cleaner and broomsticks, etc. Can you believe it? It looks so small, but it is 33 inches of space. So we bought one more 30-inch base cabinet with drawers to fill the bottom space. But now we had one more problem, which is our air vent. After a lot of research, I came up with this DIY under the cabinet air vent which cost us hardly $30. And finally, this is our air vent. To fill up the top space, instead of buying a cabinet, we wanted to make a customized one in our Christmas vacation. We had some initial struggles cutting wood, but finally our patience paid off and we came up with our own customized cabinet. Along with this, we also made our DIY plate rack using dowels. Let me turn back, and this is our worship place. We also made this customized shelf according to our needs. Finally, we finished this project successfully, but when I recollect my memories about this project, the most toughest part of this whole project was installing crown molding. Buying an actual meter saw was little expensive. When we were looking options, we found this manual meter box which was very helpful for completing this project. That's it guys, we now have completed our whole kitchen makeover, and I'll give you a little tour of our new kitchen. The entire project gave us a lot of satisfaction as we planned and did it on our own right from beginning with the support of my husband and my 11-year-old son. This is it friends, that's the end of my kitchen tour. If you want to know more about our detailed kitchen organization or any other further questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section so that I'll come up with more interesting videos. Also, if you like my video, please do like, comment and subscribe. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.